In today's video I'll show you how to add background music to a video in Descript. First, you'll see my list of recent projects here on the dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on the project I want to edit, which takes just a moment to open. Once we are inside the project, you can see our standard layout with the text script on the left side and the video preview panel over on the right. Now, to add some background music, I'll navigate over to the right side of the screen and click on the Media icon in the toolbar. When the Media panel opens, it defaults to your own files, so you will want to look at the top of that panel and click on the Stock tab to access Descript's built-in media library. Inside the Stock tab, you want to click on the audio icon, which is represented by a small music note. This opens up a great library of royalty-free music and sound effects. You can scroll through the list and preview any track by simply clicking the play button next to its name. Taking a moment to listen to a few different styles helps you find the perfect vibe for your video content. I'm looking for something that keeps the energy up without being too distracting. After previewing a few options, I'm going to choose this upbeat indie instrumental track. I'll click on it to add it directly to my project. You'll notice an activity window pop up briefly as the software imports and processes the audio file. This step takes a little bit of time depending on the file size, so we will just wait patiently for the layer to finish loading into our timeline at the bottom of the screen. Once the processing is completely finished, you will clearly see the new green audio track sitting right there in your timeline. From here, you can easily click and drag the edges of this audio clip to adjust its length or position, ensuring it fits perfectly with your spoken dialogue. And that's it. That's how you add background music to a video in Descript.